You know how like in life, moving out is that big step, adulting kind of thing.
I never really had like my own room or my own space. So that was always like a dream of mine talaga. Hi, my name is Miko Reyes. I am 24, a director, and I have a roommate.
Hi, I'm Mike Perfecto. I am a photographer, dancer. I just like doing a lot of things actually.
This opportunity to go and like make something for our friend, and his idea was why don't you guys actually just shoot it there in my house and just stay there for the time that you're shooting it.
So we were there for like 3 weeks, shooting a film we never even released. It's pretty fun moving out. Our dynamic transferred into just being roommates.
Mostly in my spare time, I like to DJ. It's one thing I never really got to do before.
We like our own personal space, like especially me. Like I love alone time. I love just thinking to myself. I love reflecting.
My favorite spot in the house definitely is gonna be my room, but then when I'm not in here, it's gotta be outside. Like here in our backyard, because I like to have my morning coffee there, like bring out a stool and sit there and watch like the sunrise.
There is a core memory that I recall. We were just cooking and then we were playing the song from Ratatouille, chef vibes all throughout that night. I'd say like that's generally how it is, like being his roommate. It's like just this comedy show, like two roommates live and go through life together.
If you walk into his bedroom and take a look, you'll probably think utilitarian. You'll have all the bare essentials of a bedroom basically.
Oh, he's creative. This guy clearly loves arts and music. There are times wherein I'd just be working downstairs, he'd be cooking, as if we were alone, but we're still in the same room together.
It's like we've both kind of gravitated to spots we mutually agree, even though we've never spoken about it.
So there would be days that like we would literally see each other. So, hello, that's it. Not every like roommate situation has to deal with a lot of literal communication. Sometimes it's just letting each other's lives go forth. I love that part.
So we had a split. We had an agreement. Mike will take appliances and then I'll do furniture.
He's always wanted to design a room or a house. I have never had a single thought of that in my life. So the agreement worked out perfectly. I love coming home and I'm just like, our place is pretty nice.
There is no such thing as like a perfect roommate naman talaga.
It's like being with someone, your friend or stranger, but multiply it by 10. If you can take it, then you can imagine that you'd be good roommates.
It's called trust, bro.
Yeah, bro.